Hello there everyone. Now, new video, new me, we're going to check out and talk about 2FA, two-factor authentication. This is the first method where we're talking about today. So, this specific brand is called Yubico, and so this is a physical key. This physical key shows codes, it shows the key pins that you want to use when you're using the 2FA. So I'll explain something right now, guys. When you usually use a normal 2FA that you may on your phone, it's usually good and it's actually very secure, of course, but it can be patched, and it's actually quite dangerous if you use it and you mess it up, because when you have something called a SIM swap is basically where I would ask for your phone number, I'd get that phone number and I would use that to take control of your phone. I would take control of that SIM, and basically that's not a good thing, guys. So this is why you want to use this right here. The physical key is the best one you could use, and actually this one I would recommend the most. The prices and stuff, they're alright, they're okay, but now we're going to Google Authenticator. This is an app. Of course I can't exactly demonstrate it here, but when you do, you can scan it, you can use it, good protection, and it shows very good information. Obviously on a phone or something, you could use Face ID to sign in, the fingerprint to sign in to these apps, so you can have even more protection. It will show you the codes every maybe 20 seconds. They'll disappear and there'll be a new one that'll come up. You can use the setup key, or you can scan the QR code, which I will be showing you guys real soon. So here's an example. So it shows this one. It shows the second authentication that you can use, which don't care about that, but that's the third one. So that's the one you may want to use. Looking at it here, that right there I blurred is the QR code that you will scan, or the key. You just need to open that up with your phone app or put that key in, and with that key you're going to copy it and you're going to place that to the Google Authenticator app, or which other app you may be using. I would really not recommend a 2FA. Just like I said, the SIM swap thing is very annoying, so I don't recommend that to you guys. Honestly, go through it. I'm just going to wait here a little bit, sorry. But that's what I'm going to explain to you guys, okay? Going out of this, copying it and doing it, and you'll see that you'll get a code. Whatever that code says, put that in, and that'll give you much better security. So this one's Authy. So this is also a good website. Free, I think. I mean, these are all free, yep. So these are apps and websites that you can use. Well, mainly apps, I would say, but there's the apps that you would type in. They'll hold the passwords, the hardware ones, SMS, as you can see, which are quite good. So yeah, keep it going through. I'm just going to show you guys real quick. There you go. So software and whatnot, it's very good, the protection. Honestly, for anybody really trying to step up that authentication and whatnot online, that security, that cyber security, as I've been showing on my YouTube channel, this is what we want to do right here, okay guys? Anything like this, any of these other ones, is very good. Aegis, this is a Android app. This is one of the ones I've looked up and seen about. You can see it shows you the specific apps, that code for that app. Actually, some of the codes are quite long too, which is interesting. Encryption, control, very good reviews. And it's got quite a lot of reviews too, in fact. The other apps too that there are. Here are the other ones. So yeah, not too much difference from the other ones, but still very good. Goodbye, guys.